This time around, I want us to use the second approach, which is inserting the end part. So in an attempt to insert the end part, you have the integral of 3x squared y plus y cubed dy plus r of x. So integrate with respect to y, right? That being the case, we will have 3x squared y squared all on 2, because this we will add 1 to the exponent and divide by that exponent, plus y exponent 4 all on 4 plus rx. Because it's not y, we cannot integrate that part, and this is equal to actually f of x and then y. So this suggests that this one is part of the answer. This one is actually part of the answer, but we have not yet finished. But we just need this one to input there to be able to complete the answer. The next thing we do is that we differentiate partially with respect to x, because we integrated with respect to y. So differentiating with respect to x, we are going to have the x is here, so what come down here, it will cancel this one, right? So we'll be left with 3x y squared. I believe you are following. Then because there's no x, this one will turn to 0, plus r prime of what? X. Right. Now because we inserted the second part, we should equate to the first part. Right. So the first part is stated as s cubed plus 3xy squared should be equal to the differentiated part, which is 3xy squared plus r prime of x. At this level, you realize that this and this are equal, so they will deal with themselves. Then we will be left with x cubed as against ry prime of x. At this level, we can integrate with respect to the x because we have the variable x inside. So the integral of x cubed, integral of r prime of x. So you have x to the 4th on 4 plus c is equal to r of what? X. So wherever we see r of x, we input this thing there. So we come back and copy what we have here, right? And then input this one there. Then we input this one there, right? So what do we have? We have f of x y should be equal to 3x squared plus y squared all on 2. Sorry, it's not plus, it's y. It's actually multiplying 3x squared y squared plus y to the 4th on 4 plus x to the 4th on 4 plus c. And that should be the answer.